Are you ready to unlock the secrets of AI? Whether you're a newbie or a tech geek, you're in for an exciting ride. Hello world, I'm Abhijoy and today we are diving headfirst into the essentials of artificial intelligence. We'll break down what AI is, how it works, and even give you a peek into creating your own AI models. So, what is AI? In simple terms, it's the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. There are three types: narrow AI, which does specific tasks like your smart assistant, and general AI, which is like having a robot buddy who can do anything that you can, and a super intelligent AI, which, let's be honest, is straight out of a sci fi movie. At the core of AI are machine learning and deep learning. Think of machine learning as teaching a dog new tricks over time. It learns and gets better. Deep learning, on the other hand, is like giving that dog a PhD. It uses neural networks to handle really complex tasks. These algorithms are the brains behind AI. They process data and make decisions. Imagine teaching your computer to recognize cats. First, it looks at thousands of cat pictures, learns the patterns, and voila, it becomes a cat detecting genius. AI isn't just a tech buzzword, it's revolutionizing industries. In healthcare, AI helps doctors diagnose diseases early. In finance, it predicts market trends and spots fraud faster than you can say shitcoin. And let's not forget how AI curates your Netflix recommendations because binge watching is serious business. From Siri and Alexa to self driving cars and personalized shopping, AI is everywhere. These aren't just cool gadgets, they are tools that make our lives easier and more efficient. If you're finding this helpful, smash that like button. Have questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one. So, to wrap it up, AI is transforming our world from smart assistants to self driving cars. Next week, we'll dive into real world AI applications that'll blow your mind. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss out. Thanks for watching and stay curious.